10 ways to make 10K as a life coach? Oh, yes. Have you ever caught yourself wondering how a few small moves in your life coaching business could rack up an extra $10,000? Well, you're about to discover how in this video. Today, I am sharing with you 10 proven ways to hit that 10K mark. I am Christina, and I'm here to help you thrive in your coaching career. And here's a little teaser for you. One of these methods is as simple as using your voice and internet connection. You intrigued? Then keep watching. So let's explore together these 10 ways to hit 10K. In the vast world of personal development, many coaches struggle with the challenge of increasing their income. It's not about putting in more hours. That's a hard no. It's about working with intent and strategy. So in this video, you are going to uncover secrets that have not just worked for others, but could also work for you in your field. That is what we're doing today, uncovering these 10 ways to 10K. So definitely stay until the end of the video so you get all 10 ways. Let's just dive in right now. Number one, one-on-one sessions. So we start with the foundation of coaching, personalized one-on-one sessions. They're about the quality of your clients. So just 4 personalized one-on-one clients at $2,500 each, and you've hit your 10K goal. Personalized one-on-one coaching sessions are the cornerstone of a successful life coaching practice. It's where real transformation happens. When you provide tailored guidance and support to your clients, you help them unlock their full potential and achieve their goals. So let's talk numbers for a moment for one-on-one sessions. With just 4 clients at $2,500 each, you can hit your $10,000 goal. That's a fantastic illustration of the value of your coaching services, showing that your expertise and guidance are worth every penny. And as you grow your reputation, you can attract more clients who are willing to invest in their personal development journey with you. Next up is group coaching. So consider group coaching. This is about leveraging your time and impact. A group of 10, each paying $1,000 for a program, also reaches that $10,000 mark. Group coaching is a valuable strategy for life coaches looking to maximize their impact and income because you can do more with more clients at once. So by having a group of, say, 10 participants, 10 clients, 10 customers, each contributing $1,000 for that program, you just generated a total revenue of 10K, of $10,000. This model of group coaching underscores the potential for coaches to achieve their income goals while simultaneously helping a broader audience. And in a group coaching session, participants benefit from your expertise and also from the collective wisdom, the hive mind, and experiences of the other peers. And this creates a supportive community that fosters motivation and, of course, accountability. Next up, masterclasses. Masterclasses are intensive. They can be an hour long, they can be 2 hours long. They're knowledge-packed sessions. So imagine hosting a masterclass for 50 people at $200 a pop. That's your 10K. These sessions can cover a wide range of topics, offering focused and impactful learning. Masterclasses can serve as an effective marketing tool, attracting attendees, customers, clients who may later become long-term one-on-one coaching clients, right? Moving on to memberships. Memberships create a sense of community and a steady monthly income. So imagine having 100 members, each paying $100 a month. That's a consistent 10K each month. Memberships offer a space for ongoing support and development, featuring exclusive content and live interactions just for those members, creating a treasure chest of value for that community. Moving on, masterminds. Facilitating a mastermind group, kind of like a membership, but a little more higher up. It is another exciting way to reach your financial goals. So just 5 clients per se, each paying $2,000 a month, can get you to that 10K mark. Mastermind groups create a collaborative and supportive environment where individuals can share insights and grow together, right? Next, online courses. This is my favorite because you can create an online course that can live on the internet 24 hours a day and Anywhere in the world, any time of the day, someone can buy a program. Selling an online course is a scalable way to reach your financial targets. If you want to know how to create a 5-figure course or how to create an irresistible offer that you could sell online, definitely check out the link below. I have a course just for that, creating your program, creating an offer you could sell evergreen 24 hours a day online. So for example, with 50 sales at $200 each, you've hit 10K. So if you have one program that you're selling at $200, well, you can have another program that you're selling for $500, another program for $1,000, another program for $2,000. Just imagine how many online courses, programs you could be selling 24 hours a day, right? Online courses allow you to package your expertise in a structured, accessible format, reaching a wide audience. Okay, moving on to another way to make 10K is live programs and workshops. So with 20 participants paying $500 each, you meet your 10K target. Programs and workshops, these events offer a unique opportunity for interaction, interactive and immersive learning experiences. They're pretty cool. Ebooks. Ebooks is your next. Selling 200 copies of an ebook at $50 a pop each is another path to making 10K. And you can put a link to your ebook on your social media platforms, on your website if you have it, on business cards, just throwing them out there, right? Ebooks allow you to share your knowledge. Put it on Amazon, eBay, Etsy. It allows you to share your insights in a format that's accessible to a wide audience. They can download like that. Next up, retreats. So organizing a retreat for 10 people at $1,000 each also gets you to that 10K mark. Retreats are like vacations for your mind, right? For mindset, for self-improvement, for personal development. Retreats offer an immersive and transformative experience. So combining workshops and activities and personalized coaching in a serene atmosphere, in a serene setting. So just remember, each of these methods can not only boost your income, but also enrich your coaching practice. To explore these strategies further, make sure to subscribe and visit my channel for more content, because your journey to financial success in life coaching starts here if it hasn't started yet, because you don't have to just do one of these ways to make 10K. You could do all 10 if you want to, right? I'm excited to be part of this journey with you. So before we jump into mixing these examples up, if you're looking for a deeper guidance in your coaching career, don't forget to check out my Coach Accelerator program. It is going to be in the comments. The link is going to be in the comments. It's designed to help you fully utilize these strategies along with one of my programs I just talked about, creating your high ticket offer, creating your $5,000 program. So check out those down below in the link below. So here are the mixed examples. Example number 1, group coaching and a workshop combo, combining group coaching with workshops. Imagine 5 group coaching members, $1,000 each, and a workshop with 20 attendees, clients at $250 per person, per head. There's your 10K. Example number 2, a digital product, an online program, and personal coaching mixed, blending an online course with personal coaching. Picture 25 people enrolled in $200 each in a program, plus you have 2 personal coaching clients at $2,500 each. You've just hit that 10K sweet spot. And then the last example number 3, memberships and mastermind synergy. So combining a monthly membership with an exclusive monthly mastermind, think 50 members paying $100 each in your membership, plus a mastermind group of 3 paying $1,667 each for the month. You've just achieved your 10K goal and created a thriving community at the same time. You have to remember, the choice is yours. Each of these methods can not only boost your income, but also enrich your coaching practice. Your journey to financial success in life coaching starts here if it hasn't started yet. And I'm excited to be part of it. So let's quickly revisit our top 10 strategies, 10 ways to make 10K. Drop a comment below. Let me know which one of these are you doing, are you wanting to do, and or which of these do you want to combine? You want to do all 10 of them? Do you want to do one of them, two of them? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So these are the 10 ways to make 10K. One-on-one sessions, group coaching, masterclasses, memberships, masterminds, online courses, live programs, workshops, ebooks, and retreats. So those are the 10, and each one is a unique avenue to that 10K milestone. And as we saw in our mixed examples, combining these methods can be a game changer for you, giving you versatility and effectiveness in reaching and even surpassing your financial goals. The potential in your coaching business is immense. It's about finding the right mixture, the right blend that works for you and your clients. So for more detailed strategies and insights, check out the Coach Accelerator program linked in my comments. Let's push those boundaries and turn your coaching dreams into reality.